Well, it's your boy King TJ Production. So, what happened is, I'm here to show you guys how to replace your light bulb in the Chevy Malibu 2016 and up. Which is, I got the LED one. LED is the best. So, boom. Those are the two lights I ordered. They come with a pack. So, let me unscrew the bolt. And here I'm showing you guys how to take it out. I'll be going to the other side, unscrew these, unscrew them, and when you're done, you can get access to the back of the light. So I'm taking the pieces out, take this whole thing apart. So it's not that hard, it's easy to do it. So let's wrap this up. I'm not really good with this camera because I was shooting this with my phone, so you gotta make sure the light fit into this little hole. Here I'm taking them out, and you make sure you test them before you put them back on. So stay tuned, man. So I'm gonna take that one out. And I'm gonna plug this one in. That's the new one. Connect it. And make sure you have someone test the light for you to see if it works. See right. It's the bad boy.
But all I'm feeling praises, I know I'm running late. Let's wait just one more day. I know I'm running away from romance. What am I becoming?
We're pretty much done with everything. So what I'm gonna do is put the lights back on and put this little air filter back on. Replace everything. Make sure you clean it because if you're having a lot of dirt, clean it out, put it back on, screw it, and you'll be done. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching our videos.
Yeah, I'm feeling stuck, maybe out of luck. I'm falling in and out of time. I hope that you come home, please pick up the phone. I need to know if you are fine. I know I'm running away from moments. What am I becoming? I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken.